Hey guys, it's Dr. Corey. I'm going to show you how to get up and down off the ground when you have acute lower back pain. What you're going to do to begin is stand feet shoulder width apart and strongly brace your abs. Shift your weight to one foot and perform a reverse lunge. From here, what we're going to do is keep those abs braced and tuck your other knee beneath you. Now put your hands on your hips and slide your butt backwards. Walk your hands forward into a quadruped position, and then sag your lower back and lower yourself into a push-up. From here, you can perform your prone press-up exercise or roll over onto your back or your side to sleep. Next, we're going to perform the exact opposite of what we just did. We're going to press ourselves up and shift our weight backward toward our heels, walking our hands all the way back to our knees, keeping our chest up, and then return to our tall kneeling position. We're going to brace our abs strongly and go ahead and perform a lunge all the way up to standing. Go ahead and give it a try.